Also known as the budgie, or parakeet, this common little bird is capable of learning a large number of phrases and songs. Their voice tends to be low and not always defined, and males tend to train better than females. Also called the Quaker parakeet, this colorful little bird is actually a small parrot. They are known for being very clever and social, developing large vocabularies of phrases and words. If you want a companion for life, this is a good fit. The blue-fronted can live for up to 100 years, or more. They have an excellent speaking voice, with a strong ability to mimic human voices. Indian ringnecks can develop a large vocabulary, and speak very clearly in sentences. Not so much for mimicking the pitch of a human voice, they more often speak in their own bird voices, though they can carry the mood of the phrase. This parrot is able to verbalize distinctly and mimic the tone and mood of language. While its capabilities are strong, these abilities depend entirely on training from an early age. Considered to be nearly as good as the yellow-naped, with less of a tendency to nip. Closely following the yellow-naped, with an excellent ability to mimic human voices and a love for song. This pretty little black bird has an amazing capacity for mimicking human voices, with a varied range of pitch and tonality. Of the Amazon parrots, the yellow-naped is the best known for its speaking abilities. They love to sing and are highly intelligent, with an uncanny ability to mimic human speech and cadence. The African gray is widely considered to be the smartest of the talking birds, and one of the most intelligent in the animal kingdom overall. Some experts say they approach the ability to speak and relate concepts on the level of a human toddler.